The wind howls, a relentless predator across the frozen expanse. Snow falls as a blinding, stinging curtain of white. In this wilderness, a human lies still, nearly lost to the cold. The world is reduced to a blur of white and grey, where life and death blur together. Yet a dog endures, its breath pluming in the frigid air, circling its fallen companion. This is not mere instinct, but an ancient vow, a loyalty etched into its being. The dog presses close, sharing its warmth, nudging and licking the frozen face, pleading for a response. No command is needed. This is devotion beyond training. The animal's world narrows to one purpose: shield its human from the icy grasp of death. In this desperate moment, we witness a bond that transcends species, a love burning against the dark. The dog's actions remind us that profound care is not uniquely human. Here, in the heart of the storm, loyalty becomes a living barrier against the cold. Hours pass, but the dog's resolve never falters. Muscles ache, fur freezes, yet it remains, a living statue of devotion. The storm rages, but within the dog's circle, hope flickers. Its warmth is given freely, a sacrifice made without hesitation. The dog's senses are sharp, ears twitching, nose testing the air. It whines softly, a sound of deep concern and commitment. Suddenly, a distant sound, a faint light, pierces the gloom. The dog barks, a call for help that cuts through the storm. Even as rescuers arrive, the dog stays by its human side, a silent guardian. Only when safety is assured does it rest, trembling with exhaustion. In this endurance, we see more than instinct. We see love and empathy. The animal kingdom's emotional depth is revealed in this shared struggle for life. Far from the frozen north, a new drama unfolds beneath the waves. Sunlight pierces the ocean, illuminating a great migration. Thousands of cow-nosed rays move as one, a silent river through the sea. Their formation is precise, a testament to collective consciousness. Each ray, a marvel of design, flies through the water in hypnotic rhythm. This is not chaos, but a tapestry of brown and gold, a spectacle of nature's grandeur. Their unity is their strength. Together they deter predators. The mass movement is both migration and defense, a community in motion. No leaders, no commands, just instinctual harmony. Each ray knows its place, adjusting in perfect synchrony. This is empathy in motion, a shared awareness connecting the shoal. The ocean's ballet reveals the power of unity and silent understanding. The rays' camouflage enhances their collective defense. Their dark tops blend with the seabed, vanishing from predators above. Their pale undersides disappear against the sunlit surface, hiding from threats below. This dual-sided camouflage is a product of evolution, a silent conversation with their environment. As the shoal moves, shifting patterns of light and dark confuse predators. The group becomes a shimmering entity, a living mirage. Individual adaptations, amplified by unity, create a powerful, shared defense. In the quiet of night, the raccoon emerges, guided by touch. Its dexterous hands, with 5 flexible fingers, explore the world with precision. Packed with nerve endings, these paws gather rich sensory data. The raccoon's ritual of washing food isn't cleaning, it's enhancing touch. Wetting its paws heightens sensitivity, allowing deeper exploration. This mindful ritual reveals a creature experiencing its world intimately. The raccoon's hands are a testament to the diverse ways animals connect with their environment. Dousing objects in water is the raccoon's way of sharpening its primary sense. Water softens the skin, making the paws even more receptive. The raccoon actively seeks out information, discerning food with remarkable accuracy. This is intelligence at work, a methodical, tactile exploration. The animal manipulates its environment using water as a tool. Its world is a universe of textures, revealed through exquisite touch. This mindful act is its way of connecting, a tactile empathy with the world. The raccoon's adaptability reminds us of the many ways life perceives and understands. In India, the elephant embodies empathy through gentle strength. Massive yet peaceful, it moves with deliberate grace. Bathing is a ritual of bonding and pleasure, water soothing its skin and spirit. The elephant sprays water, rolls in the river, and flaps its expressive ears. These ears cool and communicate, picking up distant calls from kin. Elephants form deep bonds, mourn their dead, and help those in distress. Their greatness lies not in size, but in kindness and empathy. In the simple act of bathing, their true nature shines. The gentle giant's heart is a monument to the power of caring. Sometimes the barrier between species dissolves in silent understanding. During an elephant's bath, a human keeper stands beside the giant, scrubbing its hide. The elephant stands still, eyes soft with trust. There is a wordless conversation, a language of touch and shared experience. The man knows the elephant's moods, the elephant knows the man's touch. As the keeper scrubs near its eye, the elephant closes it, a gesture of complete trust. This is not submission, but willing participation in a relationship of care. Here, empathy transcends language and form. In this gentle interaction, we witness a sacred bond that links all living things. As the sun sets, we reflect on these echoes of empathy. In the dog's loyalty, the ray's unity, the raccoon's touch, and the elephant's kindness, we see a world rich with connection. Empathy is not just human. It is a thread woven through all life. It binds packs, shoals, families. It is the silent understanding that protects and unites. This instinct has shaped survival for millions of years. The same force drives a dog to share warmth and rays, to migrate together. Each species expresses connection in its own way, but the principle is universal. The natural world is a network of relationships, not solitary struggle. Empathy is the current that links every creature in a shared destiny. Even in the vastness of the universe, we are all reaching out to one another.